Hold on, pause. Hold on. Just hold on. Hold on. Where you look on? Just hold on, no? Hold on. My forward. That you don't have no patience. You guys have no patience. You know, I feel look good for Neily. What happened to Uno? I feel look good for Neily, dog. Like, yeah. Show a little chicken chest and thing. You don't know. Put on little color shirt. You don't know, no.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Want to see that part of chest?
Look at this.
Yeah. Spirit could call one. They feel good in the car. Them say Neily body is calling, you know that. You smell that? Oh, perfume. Woo. Hello, beautiful Neily. How you doing today? I'm doing good, dude. Thank you for asking. You like the chicken chest? No, I feel like I'm going to pull that one. I feel like show you a little. Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Right there, sir. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka Reaction. Back in with another video for you guys. Now, Neily posted some new pictures. Neily posted some new photos. Screen recording on the screen right now. Ooh. We're on her profile. You know the vibe. Let us see what's popping for Neily. Goodbye. First picture. Wait, no, we're gonna start. So I reacted. This is the one that I did. This is the one that I started the first rating video with. So we're gonna start with this. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Was it this one? No, this is the one I started with. So I guess I gotta do with this one. I think I did this one too. I don't know. Wait, is this one? This is the latest one she posted after I do the reaction. Make us see what go on for the one. I know people ready for rate the picture them. Let me see if I hit. Yeah, that's it. After I do the rate video. I know why she come show man make go finger standing about. Well, can't know ourselves. We're gonna start off the right way. Let's analyze the picture first. Not much than go on them picture here in a regular little. You don't know put the phone in front of your mirror and thing. Regular thing, but you don't know this little neighboring and thing. You don't know that little vibe there. You got a little jewelry and thing. Yeah, a little vibe. You don't know. Hold on, man. Why you go on so for Tyre? Bill, no? Yeah. You know, so Neily, me tell them I forget as usual. So I'm gonna just relax. You want me? I'm gonna relax and I'm gonna give you 8 for this one. Cause it's a regular picture. Let's go. Okay. I remember when she posted this picture, she also posted a snap. No, not a TikTok. When the gunshot she was firing and she was twerking something. Alright. I ain't gonna say for see the neighborings are again. Oh.
Gunman in your hole, yeah. Rifle fire, tongue ring in your mouth, yeah, you something for swallow.
Oh la lo. Ooh. Alright. Oh Lord. Yo. My love neighboring. Woman, you don't know about. It's people open our lip them. Girl, your body is.
Girl, your pussy is calling.
It's whoa. What up, fucking picture when you joke about God? When you joke about God, that's going on. Alright. Tyreek, remember for anything on that part there, can't put that part there in the video. Alright. This picture is gonna get a 9. I'm sweating like a mofo. This picture gonna get a 9 right here. Let's go. Bam! Ain't even got this. Okay. Let's see what's okay. Okay. Fit. Shoes. I'm not even going to do extra this today. Come on, now YouTube yellow mark my last one that I did. I'm not gonna do that again with YouTube, so I'm gonna stop the zooming in. I'm glad that Neily wears a lot of clothes and she doesn't expose her body like these other females. Oh, there goes the button that I was looking for. Now I'm looking like $1,000,000. Woo! I do. Yeah! Well, I already double tap the picture as you can see. This is a steady. Maggie's at 8. I behave myself. Let's go and see what's okay.
Long like she no wants to when she go on.
Well, I show them so you can. Look! My phone on a job. Love that picture here. Yes. But dog, Neily, let me talk to you. See, if you tell me say you have a tattoo on your leg. So, one good tattoo artists have the pleasure of touching your sexy, beautiful legs. So close to the panache. So close to the pum pum, and just thinking about it hurts my heart. Like, one tattoo artist that touches sexy legs them and I put on tattoo on your sexy legs them. I'll go along with a tattoo on them breasts and them thing that I got. Okay. But like the picture though, so I give you a 9 for that picture. You understand? I give you a 9. But you have a tattoo artist touch up on your. That's cool. Yes, so I tried to recreate. Yes, no, the era. I think I saw this is the fit that the era had on, and this is Neily. The era, 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 Neily. The era have a tattoo on her hands. Neily got a tattoo on her hands. See, the era ain't got a tattoo on her legs. Neily got a tattoo on her legs. Anyways, I ain't paying attention to that. She did okay with the fit. Y'all know them. She was probably hard to get that the era has on and shit. So she just went what the regular Air Force, all white. Yep, get it. Now the era is getting married to Ken. And if you guys didn't know, Dira and I share the same last name. Now Ken finna change her last name to Walker. Lord. Anyways, I'm gonna give Dira's I'm gonna give Nellie's pick a 9. I like it. She did good with the fit. I also give it a 9 even if she wasn't trying to, like, you know, do what her role model did. Well, not a role model, her favorite, one of her favorites, I should say. Next fit. Yeah, I'm not fucking with this. No, if you turned around a little more, maybe I would. We see what's going on right there. If she had turned around a little more, y'all know I speak my mind and I'm not afraid to talk. If she had turned around a little more, maybe I would have fucked with the picture. But she's chilling. She chilling. But if she had turned around in this picture just a little bit more, just a bit more. But I didn't even like the picture. See, I wasn't fucking with it. I'm gonna like it. Now she knows that I'm making the video. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Why would I do that? This picture been out already. Now she knows I'm doing the video. I won't be surprised if she called my ass. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna give that an 8 though. Let's go. Now this is recent. This is September 1st. Here goes the navel ring. I ain't gonna zoom in no more. I'm stopping all day. Okay. That's how she talks. Okay. But okay, I like I like it. Looking good. That's a nice little cuddle fit. I will cut.
Me beat it up breathless. Rest upon my chest, yes.
Yeah, that's a nice little cuddle fit right there. Yeah. I'm gonna give that an 8. Yeah, it's a nice little. Yeah. I ain't gonna say the ooh. There you go, the navel ring. This is the most recent picture. 5 days. No, hold on, pause. Ryan, why you do waste up on the picture here like that picture here? Prodigy, why you do waste up on the picture here? Yo, I don't know if you like. Tappy, why you, yo. Johnny, yo. I'm me alone if you like them picture you right here. So right now, anybody who follow me, you hear me I say? You know if you like picture of me I like. You hear me? I'm Prodigy. No you like up yo. Yo Ryan. Me not play no more game with you in the dark. That matter the tone of youth. Bumbuckle bell there. But you know say I tell this, I tell you for the day. I like them here. But wait them, I shall see that jeans jacket here. Oh, I never this, alright. Yeah, I never write someone. Anyways, people, they don't chop it up, people. Like up the video, then they post some more picture, post 10 more again, they don't chop already up, people. It's some more video. They will say, big up on yourself as usual. Thanks for checking out the reaction, boss. Even though this is not a reaction, but you know we go on the weekends already. We try everything for entertain. You know, we still get reactions, you know. No one then. But we still have to entertain the clan. So, big up on the bumbuckle by yourself. Neily, big up yourself, you don't know. Want some more collaboration now, yeah, dude? You don't know about no more pranks. Peace out.